Streamlined Backshop presents a brief demonstration of our latest install project. Tonight we have a really beautiful brass engine. This is a Division Point Models L&N Class M1 284. It was manufactured by Blue Room Precision, probably one of the finest detailed engines I've had a chance to work on in a long time. Really beautiful paint job, nice model all the way around. It's got a Maxon coreless motor in it. Turn that off. The dynamo sound. We've installed a LokSound 73400 with their medium steam file. It's file 73414, I believe, maybe 417. The engine's been fitted with a TCS KA1 Keep Alive module. And on this particular model, I don't normally do this, but I used a TCS VR1.5, which is an interesting little product for those who aren't familiar with it. It's a voltage regulator package specifically made for lighting incandescent bulbs on DCC models, DCC equipped models. And the nice thing about it is there's no guesswork on resistors. Input voltage can vary, so it doesn't matter what layout it gets run on, which makes it a really nice solution. And normally I would use LEDs, but this particular model, I'm going to try and zoom in on this. I don't know if I can get the detail or not. I don't think so. On this particular model, you can kind of see it there. The headlight is numbered, and according to the owner, that was very as prototypical of all of the L&N steam. They put a locomotive number across the headlight limbs, and I didn't want to lose the effect of that with a really powerful LED. And when you start to dim them down, they can get a little bit of flicker to them, and so I really wanted the effect of that incandescent bulb behind the limbs. So on this one, you know, like I said, normally I just upgrade to LEDs, but on this one I felt like the incandescent bulb was the best solution. And if you're going to use an incandescent bulb and you've got room for it, I highly recommend the TCS VR1.5. Works great for cars and caboose also. So, you know, a product to keep in mind as you're working through your installs. You'll see I've got my phone out here. Another neat little trick I picked up recently was they have you can download a sound meter app to your phone, and so I've just used that now as my sound meter instead of the other device that I had. At idle, we're picking up about 50 decibel, 74 decibel on the horn. Bells bouncing between 65 and 70. And this one was an interesting project also. Normally with the, sorry about that, I know you don't want to hear the chair rolling around. Normally with the LokSound decoders, they have an auto-tune feature that automatically tunes the motor to the decoder, to the motor, motor to decoder, however you want to look at it. But on this one, for whatever reason, I couldn't get it. It wouldn't tune properly, especially at speed step 1. 2 and up, it was beautiful, ran silky smooth. So had to do a little bit of manual adjustment with the KPI settings, which are traditional with most other decoders also. But once I got that dialed in, I think you'll agree, this is a really silky smooth operator. That's speed step 1. I don't know if the KA was required out of the box, but with this being such a choice locomotive, I figured we might as well just make sure it runs like a dream too, right? I'm going to speed this up a little bit on account of be forever watching it at speed step 1. I really like how this project turned out. It was really super silky smooth operation. This is back down to speed step 2. And now we're back to 1. As you can tell, it's a real smooth running locomotive. A really beautiful bit of detail work, and with some choice components, a great sounding and great running piece of equipment. So just a demonstration of projects from Streamlined Backshop. Visit us on the web at sbs4dcc.com. Thanks.